All right. Hey, Gary, thanks for turning up and seeing your trailer and your two brand new 3Gs on the back of the trailer. So, yeah, I guess, what do you think, firstly?
Well, thanks for the invite. And I think you've set it up fantastic. Sitting the TIDs on our TRT trailer. So, yeah, looks good. You've done a good job.
Thanks, mate. We're very proud of the product, and obviously really good to be in with Qube and, you know, doing this sort of adventure together, I would say. What made you draw to TRT and the TID?
Well, to be honest, this is most probably our first TRT products. The trailer is, for sure. I went over to the factory and seen how it was manufactured. The engineering part of it was really impressive. You guys were totally engaged through the process. You listened to everything that we had to say. Some of the changes and some of the ideas we have has been incorporated into the trailer. We've had the trailer now a month or so. We've run it a couple of times. The guys are impressed. It does everything we've asked it to do so far. So why did we choose TID? The engineering and support was good. The product and the manufacturing process, I was pretty impressed with in New Zealand. And you know, the product is ahead of the game in terms of electronic steer and safety. So they're the main reasons why we bought the TRT trailer. The TIDs, again, technology, innovation, you know, the first 3G. It's always good to be the first. So, you know, eco-friendly as you can get in a crane. You know, the safety features on the TID. Actually, the lead times were pretty good too. We like the ROPS cab, you know. It's not all about the operator, it's all about how it performs. So yeah, engineering, manufacturing process, and the finished product looks pretty good.
Excellent. Yep, we always enjoy being the safest pick and carry crane in the market, and I think we can prove that quite easily with our technology and innovation, as you said, around slew safe, ROPS cabins, and everything else that we put into it. So really happy to have you on board, and
yeah,
thanks again, Gary.
Cheers,
you, mate.
Thank you.